In my first video, I show you how to learn AI is a Google Chrome T-Rex game. And after that, I think about how can AI train themselves. So for this approach, I switch to Python and let the neat algorithm play against themselves. And how that works, I will show you in this video. Go to the GitHub link down in the video description, click Pong, and download all files. To run the script, you need Python 3 and the following libraries. Okay, go to your download directory, open the shell of your choice, and type in python AI.py. After that, Pong starts with two instances of the neat algorithm. Both are completely independent of each other. I try to keep everything simple as possible. So the input for the neural network is a matrix with the position of the ball encoded as 1, and the rest of the matrix contains zeros. The output is the up and down key to control the bar. For now, the algorithm tries to optimize the coast function. The left side AI is smaller than the right side, so they will have a different speed of progress. Feel free to change the parameter to learn more about the behavior. In the file neat.py, you can find all about the AI algorithm. In Pong.py is everything about the game itself, the mechanics, the score system, the look. But you can also change the game speed to raise the learning progress. AI.py manages the procedure, initialize the AIs and display the GUI. If you have more questions, watch out my first video, link in the description, or leave a comment. So let's raise the speed, restart the game, and check out what will happen after a while.